what it is, and what's up, ayy, what it is, and what's up, ayy, what it is, and what's up, oh, what's up, what's up. You already know what it is. And today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I got this look using Kalisabeauty products. So all the information with all the products and everything is going to be linked down below. Check out the website, Instagram, everything. Like, don't be shy, because all of this is going to be like an inside little sneak peek of the unreleased products that's going to be launched by the end of this month. So I hope y'all enjoy the video. If you're new, like, what's up, welcome to the fam. Like, I'm gonna have to probably make a name for like all the new people that's coming, but I see y'all and I'm excited. And for everyone that's old, like, much love, hope y'all good. Like, what's up? Let's get this started. This tutorial started. And don't forget to hit the link that I'm gonna put in the bottom, and the multiple links and everything else. And don't forget to share. Like, most importantly, if you like it, share it, share the love, share the knowledge. And that's all I gotta say. Hope y'all like this video. Let's get into it. To start off the look, I'm gonna be color correcting with my concealer, and now I'm just blending that out all over my face along with having my eyebrows done. For the eyeshadows, it's gonna be the shade Red Henny, Hot and Bothered, and the lip gloss will be in the shade Booty Call, a nice bright red, and these drugstore lashes that have been holding up pretty well. So to apply the eyeshadow, it's best to use with your fingers. Shown here is the shade Hot and Bothered, and I'm just literally manipulating it, spreading it all over my eyes, and create a nice little winged look. Then I'm going to be taking my flat brush to further refine it and make sure it looks good, and make sure the shadow is like evenly distributed. And that's how I'm gonna do it. And yeah, okay, so this is how it looks. Really pigmented, really smooth, and yes, this is how it looks like in the creamy form for that shade. And then for the second shade, just showing you guys how it looks inside the container. Now I'm going to be using the flat brush again and applying Red Henny on top, and I'm really concentrating it towards the middle of my eye to get that nice extra glossy look. For the lip gloss, this is it. It looks pretty dark, but when you actually put it on, it's very bright, but not too bright. And it's like a cute cherry, and it has also an orange flavor to it. For the foundation, I'm going to be going with the LA Girl Pro Foundation, and then the NYX setting spray. The NYX setting spray I'm going to be putting on first, so that when the foundation goes on my face, it just glides effortlessly, as you guys can see. Now to highlight, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer, putting that under my eyes, on my nose, on my chin, on my forehead, and I'm going to be blending that out with my NYX brush shown there. So this step is just basically letting my makeup oxidize and just blending. Now for the inner corner of my eyes, I'm going to be using the shade Melanin Monroe, and I'm just using a little tiny brush and just pasting it on. Now I'm blending out, setting my face, and I'm going to be applying some blush to give my face some warmth. And yeah, just basically highlighting, finishing up the makeup. Next, I'm going to be putting on the mascara, and then I should be done. Maybelline Great Lash. This mascara is really good, to be honest, by the way. And this is the finished look, y'all. So you already know what time it is. Yeah, get you some Kalisabeauty products, because clearly your face is gonna look popping, period. Thanks for watching this video. Can't wait to see you guys in the next one.